Guys, today is super nostalgic because I am diving into something that's very special. I have my mom here with me and she's going to tell us a little bit about some of the sarees that she has a story with. And I'm so excited to hear the story. So let's dive in. Amma should take over.
I love wearing sarees. It's
I
an
know.
elegant costume anyway. I want to start with the first saree. I was a teacher, so we had to wear sarees.
Every day at school.
But I loved sarees anyway, my mom also. So this was my first saree, a Chanderi silk.
First meaning? First salary?
In the sense, my first salary, first pay was, you know how much? 300 rupees.
What?
Yeah.
But how did you survive on 300
It
rupees?
starts like that and then it slowly increases. My
Guys, do you
mom's-
get sarees for 300 rupees anymore?
So this was mine and mom's
That's
was
very
pink,
pretty.
a baby pink.
Cute, you had matching outfits.
Yeah. Something that I got married
I
with.
know the story behind this. I've seen this everywhere. I've seen so many pictures of Amma in this. So this is what she wore to her
My
unjal.
my wedding.
Unjal during the wedding. So this is actually her wedding sari. It's yellow and red. I think it's one of my most favorite. I definitely feel like I need to repurpose and wear it somewhere. And I think you've preserved it very well. So this is very special because mom got married and almost married in this.
Yeah.
Almost married, right?
Marriage ceremony.
Just before the marriage, no?
Marriage ceremony. And this was...
This also I know the
Yeah,
story.
one of-
You wore it in Dubai for your
Dubai.
anniversary.
Yeah.
And then
It was
the
there
crow
was-
gave you good shagunam.
We bought it in Partha.
And you
so-
just bought it.
Yeah, it was my anniversary, so...
So that was the day where I left my mom's hand and I ran in front of the car on the road and the car went over my leg and my mom had a mini heart attack and she was wearing this sari. That's why I remember it. But that is also her anniversary sari. I think when I was maybe like 6.
And this is special again because my mom gave this to me. It was hers and she gave it to me. We love our cottons starched. Well, this is not so starched, but we love to starch.
Now, I would love to take it away from you and keep
I
it
had
to
so
me.
many sarees which were starched and nicely.
But I feel like this is very shanti party. No?
Typical, right?
Yeah, it's very party. And this one?
And I have this one. I just bought this for the color.
You did something to this, I
Kanagaambaram
remember.
color. And I was walking down and then I saw it in a store. And then I decided I wanted to paint it because it's too simple.
You painted it?
Yeah, so I did a little block painting on this.
I feel like if I help you, I'm going to make a mess.
Yeah, just block printing with some, foil. And just, taking different shades.
You printed on both sides?
No, you print and kind of comes on the other side. You have to iron it and then...
Very
after-
cool.
Yeah.
I should make you print some of my sari. Print, no, paint.
So this was the first attempt at painting, but it was more of a block print kind of.
I don't know which one is my favorite. I feel like they all have such a different, diverse story to it. I feel like I can't say party sari is not my favorite. But I also really, for the longest time, I've been wanting to wear Amma's like unjal sari for something. But I feel like, will you tie a sari for me? One of them? Okay, I feel like I'm going to do the blue first salary one.
Oh, okay.
Just because I feel like
So
it was her
summery.
first salary and I'm doing this new process of trying to be on social media and it's like a new journey that I'm embarking on. So I feel like it's sort of symbolic and I also think it's a very pretty like summer sari.
Summer sari, yes.
I'm feeling it for the weather now. So I'm going to go and wear it and show you how it looks. How do you like it?
Wow, this looks nice. So fresh.
So guys, I totally love this sari. I don't know if it's me being sentimental or I feel like, I don't know why I haven't worn this before or stolen it from Amma or actually like looked at this in your cupboard before. I always read Amma's closet, but not necessarily for saris. And you know what's really special is this blouse seems to work so perfectly with this, and this blouse is actually from my sister's wedding. The sari I wore, this is that blouse. So I feel like this is nostalgia garden going on here. I love it. It's super light also, by the way, the sari, and it feels so summery.
So summery, so fresh.
I'm definitely stealing this. It's no longer in your cupboard, it's going to be in my cupboard.
Enjoy.
I'm taking it away, and you cannot give it to Shweta. I'm taking it away from
Oh
me.
my God.
Finished. By the way, also guys, just for your information, this sari is almost 40 years old. It's like 39, 40 years old because Amma bought it. Basically, the sari existed before my dad did. So she bought it before she got married on her first salary. And I love that you preserved it so that I can steal it. Or I would say borrow, but happily steal. Let me know what you guys think of this look and I will see you in my next video.
Looks like a cassata ice cream. You remember?
I feel
You know what's a
like-
cassata ice cream?
Yes, I know. Hello.
Yeah.
I know what is a cassata ice cream. It's available in Karbaya pharmacy. I bought it that day for Appa because Appa loves cassata
We
ice
used to
cream.
love having that.
The 3-color cassata.
Yeah,
no?
in summer
Yeah.
it's the best, the lovely, most.
No, but I feel like I can.
Looks
sit-
good on you.
I can live. Usually, I don't like wearing sarees the whole day, but I feel like I can live in this.
Yeah, you know, the summer heat is just gone.
Even without AC, it's like
Yeah.
error.